is there anything else that we haven't touched on that you feel is important the chiropractic profession should know?
I think it's very well understood where I'm at and where I want to be. I just want to let two things. One, I first want to thank you for providing me the opportunity and the time, and for OUM to creating this opportunity of Mastermind. I think it's excellent, the service you're providing, because it's something where you didn't have to take your time aside to do stuff like this. It's something that I know it's something you guys embrace and want to do this to make the profession better. And my one biggest challenge, and you said I'll be pleasantly surprised, and I'm happy to hear about this, is I want chiropractors to always remember that they're a doctor first, a chiropractor second, and that when a patient comes in, we always learn about the biopsychosocial model, but it's becoming more and more true that if you're finding a patient who is not getting to the point of success you want them to get to, it's really important to not limit your brain to what you know, but expand it to what it could be. Because I have had a lot of interesting, successful experiences where I pretty much meditated on certain patients of figuring out where the block is and doing something a little outside my realm and finding miraculous results very quickly, because I realized 98% of it is just figuring out. The actual treatment is only 2% of the work. To me, 98% of it is just the figuring out of what they need. And so the whole beauty is actually the figuring out, not necessarily the treatment. That's just honestly the icing on the cake, and that should take quickly. So I'll leave you with this. We had a few electricians who were spending lots of time in our home, and they were all leading to one disgust to another. And there is this electrician, apparently the best of best in Long Island. He comes in and he sees in 30 seconds, there was one little thing out. He spent 2 seconds putting it together. He charged a good amount of money. And my parents were like, you did that quickly. You're charging that amount. He's like, I fixed the problem you've been dealing with for 5 years. Haven't had a problem since. So it's just to let you know that it's not really about the amount of time and energy, but if you're really good at what you do and you can really figure it out, it ends up not taking as much time as perceived. So don't charge on the time, charge on the value you're providing.